Hey, Trader Daddy is coming here quickly with not much of an analysis video, more of a tutorial of something that's important in my analysis and in my trading. And I want you to take a look at and highlight these two algorithms, the tapered selling magenta channel here and the tapered buying orange channel. Now, you know that a tapered selling channel is a liquidity build for the bulls to eventually break us out above, and a tapered buying channel like orange here is a liquidity build for the bears to bring us further down. So what's important here, and it's a very slight difference, is what are we respecting here? What's in control? You could see that initially it looks like we're overlapping here on orange and magenta, so we have yet to decide. Then we came and found resistance here on magenta, came and found support on orange. So it looks like orange is in control until we then found again support on magenta, rejection on magenta, and now support again on magenta. So it looks like magenta is in control, and this is more of a tapered selling channel than a buying channel. So that's big news for this play over here. I brought calls here at the bottom of magenta last Friday, and that's because if this were a tapered buying channel and we just broke out below, that would be a big bearish sign, and that would mean we are going to dump. But considering that we're actually finding support on magenta, and this looks to be more of a tapered selling channel, this is actually a great opportunity to buy and look for us to come back, find resistance potentially on magenta, but really look for a breakout to the upside. This is just to give you a highlight. This is United Health Group. You all probably know them. They're huge in the health insurance game, and this is an interesting play here. I got in at the low of like 436. It's already up to 448. They have earnings coming out tomorrow that can bring it back up at least to retest this orange. That's the plan for me. So my small trade plan was something like this: below yellow as our stop loss and orange as our take profit. And you can see that we're on our way there. But just important to notice this small but important difference. And it's always good to look at what is being respected, what is in control here. And it looks like to me that magenta, very controlled selling channel, is in control, and that makes a big deal of a difference between the orange tapered buying being in control. Hope this was helpful, and happy trading all.